Hello, beautiful peoples. Welcome to Mera class. Today, I will discuss about the agricultural census. Four prelims that is related to your UPSC examinations. Four prelims: agriculture census, technology of farmers, related government initiatives. Four main significance of agricultural culture sector in economy, technology in aid of farmers, government initiatives. Why in news? Recently, the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare launched the 11th Agricultural Census 2021 and 2022. This, this computations will bring huge benefit in the vast and agricultural country like India. What do we need to know about the agriculture census? About agriculture census is conducted every 5 years, which is being undertaken now after due delay due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Entire census operations is conducted in phases, and operational holding is taken as a statistical unit at macro level of data collections based on the agriculture census data collected in three phases. The department bring out three details report analyze trend on various parameters at all about the states UT's level, district and tehsil levels. Reports are prepared by the representative state and UTs. Agricultural census is the main source of informations on a variety of agricultural parameters at the relatively minute level, such as the number and area of operationals holding, their size, class wise distributions, land use tendency and the cropping pattern, etc. 11th census. The field work of the agricultural census will start in August 2022. This is the first time the data collections of agricultural census will be conducted on smartphone and tablets, so that data is available in time. It include use of digital land record like land title record and the survey report, collections of data through app software using a smartphone or tablet, complete in enumerations of the villages in state and the non-land record during the phase 1 as done is the state having land record, real time monitoring of the progresses and processing. Most of the state have digitalized and their land record and survey, which is further accelerated the collections of agricultural census data. This is use of digitalized land record. The use of digitalized records and the use of mobile apps for collections will enable the creations of the database of operational holding in the country. What do you mean by digital agricultures? What do you mean by digital agricultures? About digital agriculture is the ICT, informations and communications technology and data ecosystems to support the development and the delivery of timely targeted informations and service to make farming profitable and sustainable while delivering safe nutritious and affordable food for all. For example, agricultural biotechnology is a range of tools including traditional breeding techniques that alter living organisms or piece of organisms to make the modify product, improve plants or animal, or develop macroorganism for specific agriculture uses. Precision agriculture PA is an approach where input are utilized in precise amount of amounts to get increased average yield compared to traditional cultivations techniques such as the agroforestry, intercropping and crop rotation, etc., is the based on using ICTC, digital and wireless technology for data management, weather monitoring, robotics, drone technology, etc. Benefit. What are the benefit? Machinery automations. It allow fine tuning of inputs and reduces demand of manual labor. Remote remote satellite data and in situ sensor improve the accuracy and reduce the cost of monitoring crop growth and quality of land or water. Freely available and the high quality satellite imaginary imagi, imaginary imaginary dramatically reduces the cost of monitoring many agricultural activity. This could allow government to move toward the more targeted policies which is which pay or the penalize farmer based on observed environmental outcomes. Traceability technologies and digital logistics. These services offer the potentials to streamline agri-food supply chains while also providing trusted information for consumers. Administrative purpose. What are the administrative purpose? In addition to monitoring compliance with environmental policy, digital technologies enabling automations of administrative processes of agriculture and the development of explained government service such as in relations to extensions or advisory services. Maintenance of land record. How using the technology, the data related to a large number of land holding can be appropriately tagged and digitalized. It will not only help better targeting but it reduce the quant, quant, quantum of the land dispute in court. What initiatives has the government taken for digital agriculture? Agri stocks. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare has planned creating agri stock, a collection of technology based interventions in agriculture. It will create a unified platform for farmers to provide them end to end service across the agricultural food value chains. Digital agriculture missions. This has been initiated for 2021 to 2021 to 2025 2025 by the government of project based on new technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchains, remote sensing and GIS technology, use of drone and robots, etc. Unified Farmer Service Platform UFSF. UFSF is the combinations of core infrastructures, data applications and tools that enable seamless interoperability of various public and private IT systems in the agriculture ecosystems across the country. UFSF is envisages to play the following role: act as a central agency in the agri system, ecosystems like UPI in the e-payment, enable registrations of the service provider, public and private, and the and the farmer service, enforces various rule and validations required during the service delivery process, act as the res- repository of the applicable standard API, applications programming interface and format, act as the medium of data exchanges amongst various schemes and services to enable comprehensive delivery of service to a farmer. National e-governance policy national e-governance plans in agricultures and NEGPA, a centrally sponsors schemes. It was initially launched in 2010 and 11, is in the seventh pilot state, which aims to achieve rapid development in India through the use of ICTs for timely access to agriculture related informations to the farmer. In 2014 and 15, the schemes was further extended for the remaining state and UTs. Other digital initiatives: Kisan Call Center, Kisan Suvidha app, Agri Market app, Soil Health Card portals. Way forward. Way forward. Forward. Policymaker will need to consider potential benefit, cost and risks, and understand the factor affecting technology uptake so that interventions can be targeted to where there is a market failure of a public interest. Understanding how technology can help in the different component of the policy cycles and may require government body to expand their skill set, invest in technology and training, or the partner with other actors, both government and non-government. There is a need to build a robust digital infrastructures in the country, consisting of satellite imaging, soil health information and land record, cropping pattern and frequency, market data and others. Data efficiency can be increased through digital elevations model DEM, digital topography, land use and land cover, soil map, etc. UPSC civil service examinations previous year questions. In the context of India's preparation for climate smart agriculture, consider the following statement. First statement: the climate smart village approach in India is a part of project led by the Climate Change, Agriculture and the Food Security (CCAF), an international research program. And second statement is: the project of CCAF is carried out under consultative group in the International Agricultural Research headquartered in France. The International Crop Research Institute is the semi-arid tropics ICR in India is one of the CGIAR research center. Which of the given statement below are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option 3 1 and 3 only, or option D 1 2 3 all. इसका the explain option D how option D is correct. Explain. The climate smart village project in India is a CGIAR research program on the climate change, agriculture and the food security CCAFS, and the CCAFS started piloting the climate smart village in the 2012 in Africa, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Mali, Niger, Senegal, Kenya, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Uganda. And South Asia, South Asia, Bangladesh, India and Nepal. Hence, the statement 1 is correct. Climate change, agriculture, and next, the climate change and agriculture and the food security is carried out under the CGIAR, formerly the Consultative Group of International Agricultural Research. The headquarters of CGIAR in Montpellier, French. CGIAR is the global partnership that utilizes United international organizations engage in research about the food security. Hence, statement 2 is also correct. In, and and the International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropic, ICRISAT, is a CGIAR research center. ICRISAT is a non-profit and non-political public international research organizations that conduct agricultural research of development in Asia and the sub-Saharan Africa, with the wide array of partnership through the world. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Therefore, D option is correct. The article is published by PIB. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below with any info or any inquiry. Thanks for watching. Love you. See you again.